Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to play PLS Donate in 2023, then this is the right video for you. First, go to roblox.com and then click on Create. Now, go to Manage My Experiences. Now, right-click on a creation and then click on Create Badge. After that, go to Associated Items on the left. Now, go to Passes. Click on Create a Pass. Now, click on Upload Image and then choose your image. After that, type in a name. Then, type in a description. Now, click on Create Pass. After that, click on the new pass. Now, click on Sales. Turn on Item for Sale. Now, set a price and click on Save Changes. Now, go to roblox.com and open PLS Donate. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.